on? The news? Oh, thank you. Yes, in the news today, the Fam Guild opened a location at the Tanger Outlet Mall at Foxwoods Resort Casino. Wasn't I just at the casino? Let's take a look.
We are going to Fam Guild HQ.
I said, baby, you're gonna be the one that saves me, and not the one. You're my wonder one.
Wow, what a wild ride. That's just wild stuff. I just gotta get out of here. Until next time, you stay handsome.